Here, Lurgan, Antrim, Liverpool crossing, Craigavon, Craigavon.
Ronnie's gonna be home.
Huh?
You remember? Remember she told you wouldn't get her?
Yeah, she said about a meeting.
They've cancelled it, so she said she'll be home.
Hmm.
Via coming home.
No one.
So do you get what?
3 of these crossings out here don't even have a broken alarm. The whole 3 Lurgan crossings don't have a broken alarm. Only that alarm right there is just a wee bit different. You know, it's even a new alarm too. I got it 11 months ago, so I did.
Yeah.
It was something the same like Lake Street, but I don't know what happened to that one now. It must have got broken or something. I don't know.
Right.
It was slower when I was on the 24th of October 2020, but it obviously must have went faulty. Probably, I don't know. Could have been whenever me and my hater Jong, of course, filmed it, and then got it back misuse. You know, I just realised there's new fencing right here too. I think it was actually ages ago. It's a. But the alarm on the other side's so old. You know, they actually fixed the barrier skirt as well. I do not know what the service is, but its time is 16:23. It could be for your 16:24 Enterprise service from Dublin Colony to Lanyon Place, probably. I think it is an Enterprise. No. To the Gravatory Street. And we're staying down. No, this could be an Enterprise probably. I don't know. Could be. Let's yeah, oh, it's Long Road there, and I just heard the horn sounded like Long Road there. So for your 16:25, Long Road there and service from Belfast Onion Place to Dublin Conley.
The horn I heard there.
Yeah,
Do you hear something?
yeah. I think it's a South Island train. I think it is.
Is it?
Yeah, it's also known as Long Road there in Intercity. Here it is. No. I was so wrong, I thought that was South Antrim, but no. And there we go. It did sound like it in the background. 1626, don't pass those from Gravatory to Portugal. What's an extreme issue? Sorry for the late start, I didn't expect this closure. So, back at Lurgan, Antrim Road, Liverpool crossing, also known as Bells Road, Liverpool crossing, Craigavon, Craigavon. They're just absolutely crazy right here. Yes?
After this one, the Enterprise is going to be coming this way as well, okay?
Okay, thank you. Right, so this is now, so time is 16:27, and the guy, the very friendly signal man told me it was going to be an Enterprise, though. He's a very friendly guy, he told me. So, I didn't think an Enterprise would come, so he told me what time it is. So this is for your 1628 Enterprise Service from I think he said coming from this direction, this or that, blah blah blah, whatever. Right, so this is for your so for 1629 Enterprise Service from Dublin Conley to Belfast Landing Place. He just said, "Hey kid." No, he wasn't trying to be rude or anything. He was just telling me it was just an Enterprise just. You know, whenever you're in that street right there, people just really, the Catholic people just really hate Protestants. So if you're Catholic, then you would say County Derry, like what John says. And then I'm Protestant, so I would say County Londonderry. Why do I have to go on about County Londonderry all the time? I don't know, but if I was doing County Derry, I would say County Londonderry since I'm a Protestant. Like, so it's obviously different. It's probably, or that's the Enterprise has come in. From London Place to Dublin Conley. Belfast London Place to Dublin Conley. I'm not saying this again, but one more time I'm saying that. From Belfast London Place to Dublin Conley. Oh, no, it's gonna come this way, so it's from Dublin Conley to London Place. Yeah. Yeah, not saying no man is right. Finally, he told me that I was going to be an Enterprise, so it is going to be an Enterprise. So this is an Enterprise service, which is coming right now. It's just this way. It's not an Enterprise. There goes that. That'll be for your. Oh no, he must have went. Oh wait, oh I get it. So he must have meant about the train coming this way again, and then that means the Enterprise is coming this way. So that one was for your 1650. No one else was from Portadown to Victoria. Now this is for your 1629 Northern Irish. No, Enterprise service from Belfast Landing Place to Dublin Conley. This crossing right here is also known as Bells Road Level Crossing. This is on my list of all the crossings. So the real name of it is Bells Road. It doesn't really, there's no cubicle that says it, but oh well. But I looked on my list and it said the crossing is called Bells Road. Train station level crossing is called William Street Level Crossing, and Lurgan Lake Street is just called Lake Street Level Crossing. You know, an idiot would probably just call it like Lurgan number 2 level crossing, like Lurgan this number, Lurgan number 3 level crossing. Every crossing and goddamn map with transport specialists on and beyond. Yes, so John's not starting this calling this Bells or not. He's probably calling them all the right names now. I do call half of them wrong names, like, but who cares? I'll call Donnybrook wrong names because it's also named as Loch. And then Barnish is Drumzog, Uglish is Connaught, this one here is Belshrow, and this one here is the Enterprise. CC2 and 233 to Dublin Conley. And double go. It's getting dark right here, so I might as well head on the drum bin. I know drum bin would still have a broken alarm.